Hey everyone, it's Jazzee here, and thank you so much for taking time out to check out my how to add moisture video. Now, I know that so many of you requested how to retain moisture into the hair, but I figured let me show you how to add moisture properly first, because we all know that you cannot retain what you don't have. So this video is going to be a step-by-step how to add moisture to your hair. So if your hair type resembles someone in this photo, then this video was created just for you. But if not, don't fret. A video with your hair type is coming soon. Now let's get started. The very first step into adding moisture in the hair and retaining moisture is to hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. I cannot reiterate enough how important this step is in the process of adding moisture to the hair. Saturate your hair with water. I think so many times we're looking for a quick fix. Hurry up and put this product in my hair, but there's nothing in the world that's going to do you better than submerging your hair in water. This is not the time for that spray bottle misty stuff. Step 2 in the process, the cleansing. I think this is probably my favorite part. Using a cream-based cleanser that has no lather is best for this hair type. It will keep the hair nice and clean, of course, but super soft as well. If you try to shampoo this hair type with something that has suds, it's just gonna shrink the hair up, make it get really tight and tangly. It's gonna dry it out, and nobody wants dried out hair. Now be sure to rinse the cleanser out thoroughly. Oh, wait, sorry. Take your time with the massaging part. I forgot, my favorite part. Before you rinse that cleanser out, massage the scalp. Enjoy it. Give your hair a luxurious spa treatment in the comforts of your own home. Okay, up next, condition and detangle. Now this is very important as well. You want to lather that conditioner into the hair. A lot of people think I use a lot of products, but I don't. I really like to add water to the products because it helps me to really massage it into the hair and slip it through the hair and spread that product around really good. You want to make sure that when you do detangle, you're going to detangle starting on the ends of the hair and work your way up to the root. Take your time in detangling. They have so many nice new brushes on the market, new detangling brushes and wide tooth combs. Choose your favorite way to detangle your hair. Make sure that you rinse all that product out thoroughly and prepare to add your favorite deep conditioning treatment. At this time, if you want to, you can take it up a notch and add some of your favorite oils to your deep conditioner if you want to, but really saturate the hair with that conditioner from roots to end. Make sure that the hair is saturated with your conditioner. Add a plastic cap. Hopefully, if you're lucky enough, you can sit under a tabletop hooded dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have a hooded dryer, it's okay. Keep that plastic cap on and let the heat penetrate that product into your hair. Rinse out that conditioner thoroughly, and let's get ready to retain all that moisture.